Welcome to Car Home Nation. The 2026 Kawasaki W200 represents a rare balance between timeless motorcycle heritage and modern-day reliability. Designed for riders who value character as much as performance, the W200 carries forward Kawasaki's classic design philosophy while adapting subtly to the expectations of today's urban and lifestyle riders. This motorcycle is not about speed records or aggressive numbers. It is about emotion, simplicity, and authentic riding pleasure. Design philosophy, timeless from every angle. The visual identity of the 2026 Kawasaki W200 is deeply rooted in classic roadster design. From the moment it comes into view, the motorcycle communicates elegance and restraint. The round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and minimalist body panels work together to create a clean and uncluttered profile. Chrome accents on the exhaust and mirrors add a premium retro touch, while the carefully sculpted seat enhances both comfort and style. The frame geometry maintains a straight, balanced stance, ensuring the motorcycle looks just as good parked as it does in motion. Every detail has been shaped with intention, avoiding unnecessary aggression and focusing instead on graceful proportions. Engine and performance, smooth, reliable, and refined. At the heart of the 2026 Kawasaki W200 is a refined single-cylinder engine designed for consistent and dependable performance. Rather than chasing high-speed thrills, this engine prioritizes smooth power delivery and everyday usability. Acceleration feels controlled and predictable, making the W200 ideal for city commuting and relaxed highway cruising. The engine responds calmly to throttle inputs, allowing riders to enjoy a stress-free riding experience. Its tuning emphasizes fuel efficiency and durability, ensuring that the motorcycle remains economical without sacrificing ride quality. The exhaust note is subtle yet satisfying, offering a gentle mechanical presence rather than excessive noise. Ride comfort and handling, confidence on every road. Comfort is a defining strength of the Kawasaki W200. The upright riding posture reduces fatigue, while the wide handlebars provide excellent control at low and moderate speeds. The seat cushioning is carefully balanced to support longer rides without discomfort. Suspension tuning favors stability and comfort over aggressive stiffness. Uneven roads, speed breakers, and daily imperfections are absorbed smoothly, making the W200 especially suitable for urban environments and secondary roads. The lightweight chassis enhances maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate traffic with ease while maintaining confidence during cornering. Braking and safety, simple but trustworthy. The braking system on the 2026 W200 is designed to deliver reliable stopping power with predictable feedback. Braking response is progressive, ensuring smooth deceleration in both city traffic and open roads. Kawasaki has focused on balance rather than complexity, ensuring that riders feel fully in control at all times. The tires provide stable grip across various road conditions, reinforcing rider confidence and safety. Instrumentation and features. Classic look, modern precision. The instrument cluster embraces a traditional analog style, staying true to the W series heritage. Clear dials provide essential information such as speed, fuel level, and engine status in an easy-to-read format. Modern enhancements are subtly integrated without disrupting the retro theme. Lighting elements are designed for visibility and efficiency, while electrical components are optimized for long-term reliability. This blend of old-school aesthetics and modern engineering ensures the W200 feels authentic rather than outdated. Fuel efficiency and everyday practicality. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Kawasaki W200. The engine's refined. Tuning allows riders to travel longer distances with fewer refueling stops, making it an economical option for daily use. Maintenance requirements remain simple and affordable, further enhancing its appeal as a practical long-term companion. The W200 is designed to be owned, not just admired. Who is the Kawasaki W200 for? The 2026 Kawasaki W200 is ideal for riders who appreciate classic motorcycles but want modern reliability. It suits beginners seeking a friendly and manageable bike, as well as experienced riders looking for a relaxed and stylish alternative to high-performance machines. This motorcycle appeals to those who enjoy calm rides, scenic routes, and meaningful connections with their machine. Conclusion: a motorcycle with soul. The 2026 Kawasaki W200 is not defined by extreme power or advanced electronics. Instead, it stands out through character, balance, and authenticity. It is a motorcycle built for riders who understand that true enjoyment comes from the journey, not just the destination. With its timeless design, refined performance, and everyday usability, the Kawasaki W200 continues to honor the legacy of classic motorcycling, while confidently moving into the future. The 2026 Kawasaki W200 is more than a motorcycle, it's a statement. Timeless design, reliable mechanics, and effortless riding make it a motorcycle with soul. Its appeal lies not in aggressive speed or flashy tech, but in authenticity, elegance, and connection. For riders who cherish the joy of the journey over the destination, the W200 is the perfect companion. Whether parked in a showroom, cruising city streets, or gliding along a quiet highway, the W200 commands attention and admiration with its classic charm and modern precision. Front view, indicators blink, mirrors shine, headlamp glowing, ideal for showroom or promotional reveal. Side view, engine, tires, and exhaust showcased. Motion blur on wheels creates realistic riding effect. Rear view, tail light and indicators active. The bike's symmetry and design fully visible.